Hello, today I am going to show how to make banana to crocodile clip probes. This is a standard multimeter wire. This is a male banana pin. This is a 4 mm pin. These are crocodile clips with the sleeve. Now how to take off the insulation. Open the clip, bite it onto your fingers and take it off. Similarly for the other one. Done. Now strip some insulation. Take my helping hands. I widen the base by nailing it onto a plywood piece because this base is too short. It topples over. So I made a sturdy base for it. Now it doesn't topple. I'll hold this clip into this one for soldering. Now I have taken the black one. I put the sleeve in, twist the wire a bit. The insulation is a bit nice and tight. Okay, we are done. This is a silicone rubber insulation. Now I hold it here in my third hand, or the helping hand, whatever you call it. I position it like this. I think I should scrape the inside a bit. I have taken my smaller file. Now I again put it back into my helping hand. Align it into position. pick my solder and solder it. I'm going to need a lot of solder here. Now take your pliers, press the jaws in so that you get a nice hold on your wire. Let it cool down. Yeah, it's cooled down now. Take it out and done. There are a little bit bite marks, but that's okay. Now slide your insulation back in and it's ready. Now do the same thing to put it back. Beautiful. This is your negative. I did the same for the red one. That's the positive one. Now take your banana clip. There's a small nut here. Here. Take your pliers, unscrew it, and the pin will come off. Now put it in your helping hands. This is the place where your wire will go in, and then solder it. Now solder it. Let it cool down. Now it's cooled down. This is the sleeve for the male 4mm banana pin. Notice this is having a flat edge. Here, and this thing also has a flat edge inside, so it's kind of a socket system. See, it should align perfectly. Now tighten the nut and you're done. See, all perfect. Similarly do for the red one. I soldered the red one also now. It's a bit hot. We are done. Now we can use this for ammeter measurement. For the volts, resistance and milliamperes. Basically it's for using the multimeter. So just for example, I'll measure some voltage. The red one will go in the volt, ohm, milliampere range, and the black one will go to the COM. I have set the multimeter to DC volts. Now I take my the positive probe. This is the lead acid battery. It says at 12 volts, 4.5 Ah. Sealed, maintenance free battery. So we are now getting the voltage of the battery. Now we'll see to measure some current. Never ever connect the meter directly, the ammeter directly to the battery's terminals. It will short your multimeter. So now I am going to take a resistor. Disconnect the negative. Set your meter to the range as the DC current range. Here the 10 amps. This is the DC amps range. Now take any value resistor. I have chosen 820 ohms. Hook it up to your resistor. Change the red wire from volt ohm milliamperes to 10 amps. Now connect it to your battery. Nothing. Yes, we've got a reading. It says nearly 10 milliamperes. That's it. That's a beautiful use of making probes. It makes life easier. Before making these probes, my life was like, these are my normal probes. Pointed. I connect it here. I have set it to ammeter range. Sorry, not here. I have to connect it here. Now I connect the positive to the positive. I take my resistor, hold it with my fingers to one probe, and then connect it to the battery. And I need it to stay like that. So boring. Hope my banana to crocodile clip probes make your life easy. Thank you for watching my video.